Hello, 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 and welcome, my subscribers. Thank you. This is my thank you for getting me to 1,000 and above subscribers. We made it. Oh my God. I was working a tarot party out in Santa Mauritius, Long Island at YOGAHOLIC. Open reads, right? Just a whole bunch of women, really, and one guy, other than me. You know, like pulling cards for each of them. We had so much fun. We did breath work. It was great. And when I left the house, I wasn't at 1,000, but by the time I got home, as tarot-fried as I was, opened up the laptop, there it was. It was just boom. I was actually moved to tears of happy, happy tears. So I wanted to take a moment, because I mentioned it in the last few videos of the new moon to full moon reads, because I was doing them obviously on Saturday to get them done for today, Sunday. Blessed new moon, by the way, in Pisces. And I'm going to do a little blessing for you at the end. But I've been so touched, and the support has been so wonderful, and the comments so touching. I mean, I am really kind of isolated where I live, where I work. I work from my home, right? Taking clients, dealing, but I'm never really alone. Not with my boys. Come here, Melky. Come say thank you. Come here, my bulldozer. My Taurus kitty cat, yes, he will take the cushion with him. He's allowed up on the table for this to say thank you. Say thank you, my baby. Say thank you. Squeal you. No, thank you. Oh, you see, he's... Go on, baby. I will give you cookies later. Thank you. I forgot I'm wearing cashmere. That's why I wear this hoodie all the time, because it's cashmere. It's absolutely delightful, and it will be put away for spring. Anyway, now that I have cat hair all over my face. Again, just thank you. I'm so moved. Good stuff is coming. Oh, and I wanted to give you an update about Drunk Tarot. So the moment I realized, oh my God, I sat down and I applied for monetization, which is how you get super live chat and all that other stuff. So it's in review. Like, I'm waiting for them. It usually takes about a month. So the planning for Drunk Tarot is underway. My past life son, I call him my past life son, Anthony, has agreed to be my co-host, which I'm probably going to need, and bartender for the night. And the beverage to start off with will be hot sake, because it is my favorite drunk. I'm a great sake junkie. Sake and sushi is just the easiest way in to all sorts of aspects of my life, orifices or otherwise. So we will have a really good time with Drunk Tarot on that one for the first one, and we'll see how it goes for a couple of months. People are really digging it, you know, throw some coins at your drunk witcher, and we'll see how that goes. Cool, cool. Please do keep in mind, today is new moon, so I wanted to give you guys a little bit of a blessing as well. Because this is sort of a new beginning, right? And the start of a new cycle. I am a Pisces moon, so let me give you the best and the blessed that I can. Please take a few nice deep breaths. Just imagine that with every inhale, you're breathing in your higher self, your God self, your soul, your best light, the best of that which you are. And imagine it going into the blood, because it is, and going into every cell, because it is. So you are embodying the best of who you are, your highest self, your true self, your soul, your God self, your Christ self, your Buddha self, whatever your path calls it, if anything at all, or just the highest vision and version of yourself. And Melkior is trying. And it is from this place I pray, dearest God, Goddess, all that is, my collective pantheons of angels, goddesses, gods, masters, and the higher souls of all involved. Please bless my subscribers and anyone who is watching this video for this new moon, really, and for whenever they see it, that they may be blessed with all that they need before they even know it, that their emotions flow, that they find the innate happiness in the simplicity of things in life that surprise them, how happy they become when they allow that the true state of being described as joy and bliss and ecstasy be visited unto us this moon cycle, beginning with Pisces moon. May it begin with a wave, and may it continue, that we are open to feel and experience the best of emotions while in these bodies, within these lives, within these situations, and that we may feel each other. Melkior, come on. Oh, he's so stubborn. And may we all have companions along the way, that we can share our breath and share our emotions and have that safe space to feel what we're feeling, even if it's not so hot, even if it's not so fun, even if it's a little bit painful. May we have the support that we need to feel, to heal what rises within us, to love what rises within us as we turn briefly, if not deeply, to that child within our hearts, and we say, kid, we're going to make it. May you be blessed. And as my heart is blessed, may all the children in all hearts be blessed. And with every breath I take, known or unknown, consciously or unconsciously, may every heart be blessed with all the love it needs to heal. And may it begin with us. Blessed be. Blessed be. Oh, blessed be. So mote it be. Amen. Hallelujah. Pass the half and half. Oh, thank you so much. I love you all so much. I'm so happy. Look, whatever the next plateau is, whatever the next goal is for YouTube, I'll figure it out as I go. But I'm just so very happy for the clients that I've made, from the friends that I've made. Your comments are so touching. And, you know, I was thinking of this yesterday, talking to somebody. I was like, you know, you hear people do these videos. Thank you so much for following. And you're like, you don't get it until you're on the other side of that. It takes a lot of work, a lot of time, a lot of energy, a lot of creativity, and for me, a lot of spiritual practice to be at my best to do these. And I won't do them if I'm feeling like crap, right? I will process myself. I will pray myself into the highest state of being I can possibly be in order to serve, right? So I can be the best that I can be, fulfill my role in the divine plan, blah, 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 blah. But also kind of be funny and entertaining and authentic, you know? It's like, in a way, look, I'm in my living room. This is how I am. You ask people who've known me, another point I'll get to. You ask people who've known me, they're like, yeah, no, that's him. That's him. Usually after a couple of drinks. You sure he ain't drinking? No, I ain't drinking on YouTube, except for Drunk Tarot, you wait. But also later today, 4 p.m., by the time you watch this, it might already be over, but I am doing a new moon in Pisces live stream in my Facebook group, Mark Angelo Lyons, Mel for short. It is a private group, but we're findable. You can find us if you, I guess it's subscribe. You apply for a subscription. I just have to approve it. Which I will be doing beforehand, obviously. So if you want a little bit more, we're going to go deeper. And we're going to be making potable, drinkable holy water. So if you have a glass of water and an Alka-Seltzer or Emergency, you know, some kind of fizzy powder, we're just going to have some fun with that to bless the heart and the body with happiness, right? Something bubbly and fun for Pisces moon. All right, thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much, and I am going to probably put this on Facebook and Twitter, so really anybody want to follow along, please do. Find me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, but please, if you are watching this and you are not a subscriber yet, I made the first hurdle. I made the first goal. Only the best is yet to come. And I've got my support team in spirit, in the divine, as well as in this world, backing me up, helping me get to where I need to go. Help me too, so that we can all help each other. Because as I said to a man, a very, very handsome man, by the way, in pain last night, I said to him, pull up an oar, brother. We're all in the same boat. We're all in this together. So help me, help you. I'll help you, help me. And we'll all help each other get all the way home for the well-being of all. And so it is. So mote it be. Thank you. Hail. Farewell and blessed be.